સો એઝ યુ નો આપણે રેડ એફએમ પર અત્યારે આઝાદી કે ચશ્મદીદ નામનું એક કેમ્પેન કરી રહ્યા છીએ. There are these beautiful souls that we have around and we are extremely lucky to know from જેમણે આઝાદી પહેલાંનું ભારત અને આઝાદી પછીનું ભારત એ બંને જોયું છે અને એની અંદર એમણે પોતાની આટલી અદ્ભુત કારકિર્દી બનાવી છે. આ દેશમાં એવી કોઈ વ્યક્તિ નહીં હોય કે જે એમને આટલા પૂજ્ય ન ગણતું હોય. કલાના નામનું બરોબર એક બીજું નામ તમે જો જોતા હો તો એ કુમુદની લાખિયા છે. મારા તો ગુરુ રહ્યા છે, મારા મમ્મીના પણ ગુરુ રહ્યા છે, મારા નાનાના મિત્ર રહ્યા છે, એટલે અમારે 3 પેઢીનો સંબંધ છે. અને આઈ એમ વેરી ગ્લેડ એન્ડ ઓનર્ડ that she has agreed to give us an interview today. કુમીબેન, આઝાદીના સમય પહેલાનો સમય કે જે તમારા જન્મથી લઈને તમારા કોલેજ સુધીનો સમય જે છે, you were 93 now.
Yeah.
And you are so fit that we are ashamed.
Yeah, I was in college
Ji.
and there was a lot of enthusiasm, you know. We didn't know exactly what's going to happen,
Acha.
but a lot of speeches of the leaders on the radio and a lot of flags flowing and you know, बहुत enthusiasm એટલું હતું તો you have to participate in that.
Correct. એટલે આખી પેલી આમ fear of missing out વાળી feeling હતી કે આ
Yeah.
બધા કંઈક celebrate
And,
કરી રહ્યા છે.
No, but even in every college also,
જી.
we were rehearsed to make rows and say, you know, speak something and, you know, march and all that. And so there was a lot of enthusiasm.
તમે તમને નાનપણમાં તમે જ્યારે 3 વર્ષના 4 વર્ષના 5 વર્ષના હો ત્યારે આજુબાજુ લોકો એ વાત કરતા હતા કે આપણો દેશ આઝાદ નથી? આવો કોઈ રેફરન્સ હતો એ વખતે?
શાયદ કરતા હતા, but I don't know.
મને ખબર છે કે તમે મહેમૂદના ફાધરની એક ફિલ્મ જોવા ગયેલા કે જેમાં તમે ચૂડી લે લો
ચૂડી લે લો.
એ ગીત તમે જોયું હતું ને પાછા આવીને તમે એ ડાન્સ કરતા હતા. અને પછી ત્યારે તમારા મધરે આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કર્યું કે યુ કેન ડાન્સ અને પછી
Yeah.
જેટલી પણ ડાન્સીસ સ્કૂલ હોય એમાં તમને મોકલતા.
હા.
તો એ વખતે ડિપેન્ડન્ટ ભારત જ્યારે હતું, જ્યારે આપણે તો આઝાદ નહોતા, તો એ ડાન્સિંગ સ્કૂલ્સ પર કે લોકો પોતાના બાળકોને ઈચ્છે એ પ્રકારના પ્રોફેશનમાં કે લર્નિંગમાં કે એક્ટિવિટીઝમાં મૂકી શકે એટલી આઝાદી
Yeah,
ત્યારે
there
હતી?
was a lot of freedom.
હા.
I mean, we get freedom, but families and between parents and children, there was a lot of freedom.
એટલે તમારા માટે શક્ય હતું કે તમે આવી રીતે જઈ
Yeah, there were dance schools. Mothers were putting their children in dance schools, and we used to go and play, you know, evening plays. But the freedom was હતું. We were never restricted for it.
એટલે એ 10 વર્ષમાં તમને સરકારી રીતે ક્યારેય બાળક તરીકે સ્કૂલમાં કે તમારી આર્ટ ફોલો કરવામાં ક્યાંય રિસ્ટ્રિક્શન નહોતું
In
એક્સપિરિયન્સ?
my personal life, the Sarkar never indulged.
Thank God for it.
And never came in between.
વાહ.
Because my family also had nothing to do with the Sarkar. We were a family of lawyers and doctors and people in the... and there was a lot of attention on education,
academics.
academic. There were good schools, good colleges. So that was all, it was all in kind of free state. And then this freedom thing came, which was very political. It didn't really matter to the individual much. It was a very political thing with people making big speeches and telling us how restricted we were in every field, which I didn't think we were. And then the 15th of August came and everybody was going with their flags.
Do you remember that speech of Jawaharlal Nehru? Were you listening to it when it happened?
Yes, freedom at
Midnight? Yes.
I even have a copy of that.
Acha.
Freedom at midnight. And one day I was thinking, let me make a choreography on that.
Absolutely.
Yeah, freedom at midnight. And that was quite moving. Well, even though we were very young, that was quite moving, you know. So
પણ તમારું જે ફર્સ્ટ સોલો પરફોર્મન્સ છે જેનાથી દુવિધાથી જે આટલું આઈડેન્ટિટી તમને
હા.
સોલો ડાન્સર તરીકે મળે એ દુવિધા જે છે એ પણ આખી એક ઘરમાં રહેલી સ્ત્રી
હા.
કેવી રીતે પોતાના restrictions માંથી બહાર આવે
બહાર
છે
આવે છે.
બરાબર એ અને એને કોને પોતાની ફ્રીડમ સમજવી કે નહીં એની જ આખી પરફોર્મન્સ હતી.
That was it.
તો was it inspired by anything that you saw around or
Yes, it was inspired by the middle class, women of middle class. They didn't have any opportunities. Today there are a lot of opportunities for women today after freedom.
Right.
But before freedom there were not many opportunities for women.
Hmm.
Even the women in my house, which is my mother, my aunt, they didn't have any freedom really. I mean, after cooking and looking after the family, they didn't really have anything to do. Except my mother was different because she was a classical singer, so she used to be. But the other women didn't have anything to do. They would just sit and gossip in the afternoon, you know. So, but today, lot of women, I feel women in the villages are doing so much. They're collecting milk and selling
Yes,
milk, and they're
yes.
doing other things.
Right.
They're doing things with herbs, and they all want their children to be educated. They look for good schools, and you know, and all the women they say English sikhana hai. You know, everybody wants English.
Yes.
And I heard the Delhi chief minister yesterday saying कि 2 साल के बाद हर एक बच्चा इंग्लिश पढ़ेगा.
Yeah, yeah.
There is that.
So with you also, there were so many dancers at that point of time, but you were one of those rare dancers who could also communicate so well in English,
Yeah.
right?
I
Your
could.
communication skills also helped you reach out to much larger global.
Because I got a lot of workshops and work in other countries.
Ji.
In America,
At much younger
in
age.
England, in Germany, and we were counting just now.
Europe.
In France, in Sweden, and Russia. I got a lot of work outside
Correct.
because I was speaking Hindi and
English both.
both well. So
Did you study in English medium school?
yes.
હા એટલે એ વખતે જે બ્રિટિશર્સે બાંધેલી હશે એ પ્રકારની કોઈ સ્કૂલ.
And it was British school. I
Ah.
went to school in which most of us teachers were British.
અચ્છા.
Yeah.
And you never felt anything odd as an Indian student. There was
Not at all.
no
Not at all.
experience of
They never
racism
forced
or-
us to go to church or never.
Nothing.
No, nothing. Or on Sundays to, you know.
હા માસમાં જવાનું ને એવું
Gosh,
બધું
they
કશું.
never forced.
હા
They themselves were very open.
હા
My teachers
Your
in
teachers.
my school, they were
Ah,
very
ah,
open. And but they taught us in English. And this school was in Lahore, Punjab.
અચ્છા.
So a lot of girls were Punjabis and they would speak Punjabi in the dorm.
અચ્છા.
But outside we were not allowed
હા.
to speak
Ah.
in. They say you can speak in Hindi. They said that even at that time. Even now people are talking
When
about
we are not
Hindi.
even decided on
Yeah,
national
yeah,
language.
Hindi. But at that time, the Britishers used to say you can speak in one Indian language,
Achha.
but not all Indian languages.
So that you don't confuse us. Okay. Then જે દિવસે ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્સ ડે હતો તમે યાદ છે તમારા ઘરમાં કઈ મીઠાઈઓ બની હોય કે ઘરવાળાએ કઈ સેલિબ્રેટ કર્યું હોય કે એવું કઈ
આ ઘરવાળાએ બાર ફ્લેગ મૂક્યો હતો.
હા. આ વખતે વિજય
આ વખતે પણ મૂકવાનો છે.
હા.
I'm going to buy one. Yes,
હા.
yes, and put it outside.
75 years of independence.
But you know, in America, and every year they put.
હા correct.
Yeah.
Correct. Correct.
આપણને એવું બધું કંઈ સમજણ નથી પડતી. So I'm going to put a flag. Yes, I'm Indian.
હા.
And I'm happy about my freedom, even though it doesn't do much good to me.
આઈ થિંક તમે ડાન્સ થ્રુ જે ફ્રીડમ ઓફ એક્સપ્રેશન જે ભારતને આપ્યું છે જેને કારણે ભારત તમને આટલું સેલિબ્રેટ કરે છે આટલી બધી પદવીઓ સાથે એટલે તમે જો એ તમે ડાન્સને પણ જે ફ્રીડમ આપી છે with the movements
Yeah,
the
with,
way
with the
Yeah.
the freedom, you know, all strata of the people of India
જી
got their due.
जी.
Like artists. So many wonderful artists were there in those days. Musicians, great musicians,
जी.
you know, and great dancers like Bala Saraswati and great dancers. There are not so many, but those who were there were encouraged,
जी.
and because of them, it has come down now to us.
Right.
You
right.
see, musicians, sitar players, drummers, they were not, I think, financially supported, but supported in the sense that people used to go and listen to them. This Atul Baina Guruji, Banaras na.
पंडित ओमकारनाथ ठाकुर.
पंडित ओमकारनाथ
Pandit Omkarnath Thakur. I'll give you one incident.
जी.
Pandit ji was singing in Banaras,
जी.
and उनका जो आलाप वगैरह होता चल रहा था, तो पंडित नेहरू came for his performance. He
जी.
came little late and sat there. So Omkarnath stopped it. After he was sitting, he started again.
अच्छा.
हाँ. फिर नेहरू was little fidgety, I think. Maybe उनके साथ जो आए थे कुछ बोल रहे थे शायद कि अभी इधर मीटिंग है उधर. ओमकारनाथ जी से पंडित जी के कान फॉरेन स्वरों से भरे हैं. वो शायद हमारा गाना पसंद नहीं करते. They insulted him.
Oh. But he took it, right?
He took it.
Because he
He
respected
took it. But
the
today's, I don't know if today's
politicians can take
politicians
it.
will take anything.
हाँ.
Anything.
Correct. Correct.
अभी तो कितना ज्यादा कुछ इसको
हाँ.
वो
Attention.
उसको बोल रहा है, वो उसको बोल रहा है, वो उसको बोल रहा है. And I think, to tell you the honest truth, talking about freedom, I don't think we have enough freedom today. We cannot talk against the
governance.
Next day you'll be in jail.
हाँ.
I mean, I know people from my own family who are very, very much anti the present setup and write a lot. And I told her, hey, Baba, you'll go to jail tomorrow, you better stop. My grandson,
Right. Right.
बहुत लक्ष्य से बधाई पड़ती. मैं कहूँ अबे जो
ध्यान रख.
ध्यान रख.
So it's so ironic that
Yeah.
when you were not independent as a country,
Yeah,
you were
you
saying
could-
you never felt
anything,
it.
you never
And
felt
today
it.
you feel it.
But now, थोड़ा तो
Jaddu
again,
Rakesh.
it's only politics,
Right.
not in any other field.
Correct.
I mean, in my field, dancers, I can tell another dancer, जो तू तारू आर मने नहीं गमतु, तारू आ मने नहीं गमतु. You beautiful dancer, but you wore the most hideous clothes. I can say that. I can say that today.
Right.
And she'll still be my friend.
Of course.
But in the other areas of the politics, you cannot
Say the truth.
which is not good.
Which is not good. Which is not healthy.
But where is the freedom then? Freedom for what?
હું કમલભાઈ જોડે વાત કરતી હતી, કમલ મંગલદાસ જોડે, અને એમને પૂછતી હતી કે મેં કીધું મારે તમારી પાસેથી પણ જાણવું છે કે આઝાદી પહેલાનું આર્કિટેક્ચર અને અત્યારના આર્કિટેક્ચરમાં તમે કોઈ ટ્રાન્ઝિશન જુઓ છો? તો એ ખૂબ ખડખડાટ હસ્યા અને he said we have gone bad to worse. તો મને તમારી પાસેથી એ જાણવું છે કે તમે એ સમયના ડાન્સર્સને પણ જોતા હતા અને તમે અત્યારે પણ જુઓ છો. ત્યારે રિસોર્સિસ ઓછા હતા અને એક્સપોઝર ઓછું હતું, લિમિટેડ ઓપ્શન્સ ઓફ ટીચર્સ, લર્નિંગ ઓપ્શન્સ ઓછા હતા. તમે કીધું હતું કે તમે જે પ્રકારની ગુરુ શિષ્ય પરંપરામાં શીખ્યા હતા એમાં તો સવાલો પણ નહોતા પૂછી શકાતા, અને અત્યારે આ બધું જ છે and more. Do you still see a difference that was better and this is not, or you see that?
I see a lot of difference, but I cannot say one is better than the other. I
Achha.
cannot say that.
Okay.
Because both the situations have their good and bad points. You see, in my time, there were not so many dancers. Very few.
Correct. Especially in women.
In women. Very
Or men also, no? In
Men
classical
also,
dance.
men तो बहुत ओछा.
हाँ, ये तो अजीब ही ओछा है.
तो there was not too much of dance and programs and all that. Oh no, too. But girls were learning in different dance schools and all. Like my mother, she didn't know the difference between kuchipudi and this thing. Dance school cheja, you know.
It was like that.
It was like that, you see. But અત્યારે people know much more about dance. There are more dancers, and there are some of the dancers, good dancers. They are really working very hard and to bring up the status and the quality of the dance. Today there is more attention on the presentation of dance. पहला तो whatever we learned in the classroom, we used to do on the stage. Classroom पर करो, हम करो.
So your own addition to what you have learned.
Presentation of dance, in which you add costuming, storyline, lighting, and choreography. All that you have to add to the dance. But I don't know to dance, and now it's like
You also added a modern perspective to characters, no?
Yes.
Which is a big change from how you were saying.
Because-
Class one change.
Yeah, because I feel that dance is not only for people who learn Sanskrit and shlokas and all that. The
Niche audience.
Dance is for everybody. So when the writers are writing good poetry, when the painters are painting like Hussein, when the musicians are doing like A.R. Rahman, why the dancers are doing something
Correct.
which is of today. You call it modern or anything, which is the dancer of today wants to dance. When I dance, I am not the dancer of yesterday dancing. I want my students to dance of tomorrow. Let them think of tomorrow.
So when you were 17 and 15, you were still trying to do that. કારણ કે તમે ત્યારે પહેલી વાર there was one dancer કે જે સાવ મેકઅપ વગર અને રેગ્યુલર સાડીની અંદર પરફોર્મ કરે. આવું તમે જ્યારે કર્યું ત્યારે that was a big tradition change from what everybody had seen then. So when you were talking about presentation and you were still saying that the presentation was to go under rather than above, become one like the audience. કે હું તમારામાંની જ એક છું. Was that also a big decision, or you thought that this was how naturally I feel?
No, now I'll tell you about Duvida, because you asked about that.
Yes.
See, Duvida is about middle class, middle-aged Indian woman. હમણાં બી બહુ છે આપણા દેશમાં.
Correct.
બહુ છે. What is her in life? What is her hope in life? Nothing. She's scared. There's a mosquito around you here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cook for the children, cook for the husband. They go to office. Then what does she do? She just sits there. And she has nothing to do. She's not educated. She has no ideas about what's happening in the world. She doesn't know politics. She doesn't know anything. So, what is this person? What is this person? Log of wood? What is this person? So, put some life into her. See? So, she was sitting there and she heard some music which was different. She saw a magazine in which she saw a woman, small woman, with a white patch in her head, surrounded by men all nicely dressed. You see? She said, that's Indian woman. Can I ever be like that? No. So she gets up and she goes to a frame that was to depict the frame of her mind. She goes there and then I play electronic music. So she dances. No dance, just her movement. She's moving her arms and she's moving her chest and she's moving her legs. that is her. I'm trying to put the life into that log of wood, you know. And then suddenly she hears the bells, Garni Bhranti Wage, so she jumps out of that and back into that. Most women are like that today.
True.
Today, even though we are doing a lot for women, women are doing a lot in clothes, in food, in every industry. But yet now women are pilots. Now women are in the bank
Yes.
CEOs.
Yes.
So every time you open the newspaper, the CEO is always a woman
Yeah.
nowadays, which is a wonderful thing. Wonderful thing. So.
When you
But I think there has been a transition.
do
A
you
good, so this is good.
do you feel that if India wouldn't have been independent, the journey that you traveled as a dancer would have been different?
It would have been slower. Not different. Because we do learn from other countries. So it would have been there. But it would have been maybe slower. Because Indians, they don't work hard.
You do. You
And-
feel that?
And yeah. एक काम करो, તમે હવે પરમ દિવસે આવો. Okay. You know, why? He's got nothing to do. Do it now, yeah. You know, this always happens.
I totally agree.
Yeah.
I totally agree.
You go Param Divas and he's not there.
બરાબર છે. તમે આટલા વર્ષો જ્યારે પરફોર્મ કર્યું એમાંથી તમારી કોઈ બેસ્ટ ઓફ ધ મેમરીઝ જેમ કે તમે ચાચા નહેરુની વાત કરી એવી રીતે એવા કોઈ લોકો કે જેમણે પોસ્ટ ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્સ કે પ્રી ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્સ તમારા પરફોર્મન્સીસ જોયા હોય ને જેમની વિઝિટ્સ તમને યાદ હોય એની ઓફ ધ ફ્રીડમ ફાઇટર્સ?
My own husband.
Of course.
He was a freedom fighter.
I know.
He
Yes.
went to jail for 9 months.
Yes,
He was Maurankar's secretary in jail.
correct. What was your experience then?
He had become very strict about life, you know.
Boring.
આ તો આમ જ હોવું જોઈએ, આ તો આમ જ હોવું જોઈએ, આ તો કેવી રીતે આમ થાય, because people were suffering like this, so we must suffer also, you know.
How did you deal with it?
No, but he was very good as far as I was concerned. Total freedom. And he helped me with my dance school.
Gee,
He helped me with Kadam, and
correct.
for a long time, I would say that there is no money, he would help me with getting.
But when he was in jail, how did you manage?
I was not there.
You were not there.
I was not there.
So, but in stories, he kept telling you that they suffered a lot.
Yeah, no, he was Maurankar's secretary.
Correct.
So Maurankarનો ઘરનો ડબ્બો આવતો હતો જમવાનું.
Acha.
એમને ખાલી 2 ભાખરી મળતી હતી અને
હા.
ગોળ.
Ha.
That's all.
Ha.
તો ભાખરીના આમ લડ્ડુ બનાવતા હતા ગોળની સાથે.
Ha.
But he said Maurankarનો ડબ્બો આવતો હતો ને તે મને આપતા હતા.
You were 93 now,
Yeah.
and you were so
No, in 93, 92 complete.
92 complete. You were
And
running 90,
93rd year now.
which is phenomenal for your.
Phenomenal.
Yeah, your fitness is like
Yeah.
amazing, so
Yeah.
energetic and so just superb. So તમે અત્યારે is there something that you want to tell people that what still keeps the 18-year-old Kumudini alive inside you? You tell me the tip.
See,
We are all exhausted.
see,
At
everyone
our
has,
age.
everyone has, you know, sometimes a stomach ache, sometimes a back ache, sometimes.
No, not just body.
No, but I'm telling you, I will come to that.
Okay.
They love to amplify that. આજે તો એવો મારો પગ દુખે છે, you know, બહુ મોટું કરીને બતાવશે. હું તો આખી રાત સૂતી નથી, you know, all that kind of. I never talk about all that. I never talk about my physical state because I've done a lot of physical exercise myself.
Correct.
See? So it's bound to happen to at this age, bound to happen. As my doctor, મારા ડૉક્ટર છે, I had one or two operations I had to have, and my doctor is very good, and he says, "Century marwani છે આપણે."
You ready for it, no?
Yes.
You game for it.
Yeah.
So,
I don't worry about all these little things, sir.
so that's why I want to come to the mental health as well. હમણાં છેલ્લા 10 વર્ષની અંદર આપણે ભારતમાં પણ ઘણા બધા મેન્ટલ હેલ્થ ઇશ્યુઝ લોકોમાં જોઈએ છે, રાઈટ? તમે સ્ટુડન્ટ્સમાં પણ કદાચ જોતા હશો, બહુ નાની ઉંમરે ડિપ્રેશન હોય, એન્ઝાઇટી હોય, પિયર પ્રેશર હોય, વિથ ઇન્ક્રીઝિંગ સોશિયલ મીડિયા, જે તો તમારા સમયમાં દૂષણ તરીકે હતું જ નહીં, પણ અમે તો બધા જ એના ભોગ બનેલા છે, કારણ કે વી આર ઓલ કન્ઝ્યુમર્સ રાધર દેન પ્રોડક્ટ્સ ઓફ સોશિયલ મીડિયા. તો એવા સમયમાં you must have seen tremendous amount of highs and lows in your life, because the જેટલી વધારે ગ્લોરિયસ જિંદગી તમે જીવ્યા હો એટલી વધુ struggle to live that and then to maintain that and then to beat your own self.
One has seen my mother's death, father's death, my brother's death.
Yes.
You see?
Yes.
So
Losing of people, correct.
losing people, and then you know how do you live now after that without a mother? Now the father is also gone. Now how do you live without that? Now my dearest brother gone. See, I've gone all that. I've gone through all that. But I think inside me, I'm what they call deep.
Oh no.
Yeah.
No.
I am, So I try to bring out that quality in me and face the world.
How?
I told you, I'm.
No, that can't. No,
Yeah.
that's not true. You're extremely sensitive person. I've seen you in more sensitive.
Double share.
No.
But I have two machines.
How do you strengthen yourself? Is what I'm
हमारी
asking.
एक मशीन से सेंसिटिविटी थी and एक बीजी से to
Deed.
face fear.
Deed machine.
है ना?
No, she's not agreeing with that at all. You think she's deep? Yeah, she's a,
I mean, yes.
yeah.
Yeah. We learned that from her.
So how
Now
do you?
yesterday I lost Sandhya.
I heard.
Yes.
What a lifelong friendship.
Yeah. My first student.
I know.
Yeah.
She used to teach us also.
Yeah.
Mom also and me
Such a
also.
lovely person.
Absolutely. So what gives you then strength to wake up next day and be this?
To tell myself, to talk to myself. You see, to talk to me. I tell these people, I go back a bit. I said કે ક્યાં જાઉં છો? તો અત્યારે મારી બહેનપણી છે ને એના મમ્મી હોસ્પિટલમાં છે એને જોઈને આજે ક્યાં જાઉં છું? આજે આમ જાય છે, આજે તેમ જાય છે, બધે જાઉં છું. Do you ever go to meet yourself? પોતાને મળવા જાઉં છું કોઈ દિવસ? Now every day sit in front of the mirror for 10 minutes. Talk to yourself and find out what you are. Know yourself. પોતાને મળવા જાઓ તમે. I tell them, sit in front of the mirror. And if you do that, you'll know what you are, how much energy you have, how much freedom you have, how much energy you have, how much you can bear.
Value you hold.
Yeah, and how much you can value other people who are your real friends and who are just friends for fun,
So you get perspective when you talk to yourself. And
Yeah,
that
I
really
talk
seems
to myself a lot. I tell myself not to be this, not to be that, not be this,
When you do the same
There
art,
are, I think, two people inside me.
if you stay in the same art form for such a long time, which is almost 7 decades, 8 decades, actually, do you ever get enough of it and say that I am just
Oh, many
bored
times.
and
Many
exhausted and
times.
I don't want to do
Many
that?
times.
So what keeps you at it?
Many times. હવે એના પછી કઈ નહીં. હવે now I'm through. I'm retiring.
Huh.
Yeah.
Then what brings you back on
Back,
the page.
that other person inside me.
Because we all keep complaining that, oh, I've been doing this for 5 years, 10
Yeah,
years,
but-
20 years. Plus, this is enough.
Enough, now this is enough. What do I get out of it? Just few people come and clap and they go away.
And sometimes the same people keep
Yeah,
coming and
yeah.
clapping and going away.
हाँ,
Hmm.
but अवे नहीं, अवे बहुत थे यो, हम बहुत थे यो.
Oh, we don't believe you. Your second person will talk you out of
Yeah.
it.
So I really feel I have two people inside me.
I think all of us have. I agree.
We all have,
Yeah.
but we don't nurture that other person. We all,
I love your that other person.
that hit one.
I want to ape that one.
Yeah,
Thank you so much, Kumi man. This has been such a wonderful conversation with you. I'm sure people would have so many perspectives of life, not just about this freedom, but I think it's just about freeing yourself from yourself. I think that's what this conversation has been more like. Thank you. This
Not
has
at
been
all.
so
Lovely
lovely.
meeting you after such a long time.
I know. Same
Yeah.
here. Same here. We're blessed. We're blessed. Thank you. Thank you for watching.